Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is about the Inclusive Development Index 2018. So let's begin. The first index that we are talking of is the Inclusive Development Index 2018. So again, as I said, any index, any scheme, what, when, how, why logic. So the first thing is, what is this index? See, it is an annual economic index which has been introduced by the World Economic Forum. Second is, it has been developed as an alternative to GDP and it measures a country's economic performance, evaluate the country's economic progress. And thus we will see what has been the ranking. So we have completed what, we jump to how. See, a country's rank on Inclusive Development Index is on the basis of three major factors, and in these three major factors there are four different indicators which are in their respective field. So in total there are 12 indicators. The first is growth and development. So the first thing that we take into consideration is growth and development. Of this we will see the country's GDP, we will see the country's labor productivity, its employment and its healthy life expectancy. So these are the four fields that we'll see to see the growth and development. Inclusive, again inclusive, it's focused here. So the first is median household income, second is they'll see the income Gini, the third thing they'll see is poverty rate, and the fourth is the wealth Gini, and after that we will see the inclusion part will be done. Then is intergenerational equity and sustainability, adjusted net savings, dependency ratio, the public debt and the carbon intensity of GDP. After all these four things, the 12 indicators, we will see that Inclusive Development Index has come out with its ranking. Now we'll have to see why is it required. Why is very simple. See, because of the slow progress in living standards and the widening inequality, it has been required. So what is happening is that this slow progress in living standards and the widening inequality, it is leading to the disturbance in the social cohesion, and further it is leading to a consensus that there needs to be a more inclusive and the sustainable model growth that will help everyone achieve high standards of living. So this is why is this index needed. And thus the last is when was this index evaluated the last time? It was in 2018. Let's look into its results. See, this index, this 2018 ranking says that Norway is the best performing advanced country in 2018. Then Lithuania is the best performing country among the emerging economies. So this is emerging economies, this is advanced economies. Norway is the first here, Lithuania is the first here. Then Australia is the only non-European economy to filter itself in the top 10. Then is the small European economies dominate the index. If you look into this really nicely and analyze it, you'll see this. And then among G7 countries, comment down who are the G7 countries, who are the countries involved in the G7, and Germany has ranked the highest. And then we see income inequality has risen in 20 of the 29 advanced economies. Then we have to see what is the inclusive development findings when it comes to India. See, India has ranked 62nd out of the 74 emerging economies. Then we have among the three pillars, the best performance of India is in the third pillar. The best performance of India is in the third pillar, that is the intergenerational equity and sustainability, that is its net savings, dependency ratio, public debt and carbon intensity of GDP, and India is ranked 44th in this segment. Thus poverty has declined. This poverty has declined. 6 out of 10 Indians live on less than $3.20 per day. Labor productivity has increased, GDP growth has increased, employment growth has slowed down, health life expectancy increased by around 3 years to 59.6. These are the key findings on India, and this is the Inclusive Development Index.